Hi there, students. Serendipity. Okay, serendipity is when something good happens by chance. Something unplanned happens and you have a successful outcome. It's like making a discovery by chance when you're looking for something else. So serendipity is something good that happens by complete chance. I was walking along and it started to rain and I was getting very wet. And then I had a bit of serendipity because a friend came walking the other way and he had 2 umbrellas, so he lent me one of them. Okay, this was completely unplanned, and this is serendipity. So serendipity is when something you're not planning on happens, which saves you from a difficult situation, or is really good. Or maybe you go to a shop because you're looking for a specific item and they don't have that item, but by serendipity they have something else that you've been looking for ages. So by lucky chance. Okay, so it's this idea of making a discovery while you're looking for something else. This has happened quite a few times in science or in business. For example, post-it notes. The company 3M were making different types of glue, and they made one that was a very weak glue. It worked, but it was weak. And then somebody started using it to stick pieces of paper temporarily in a place, and like that post-it notes appeared, or they came. So the next question is, what about the origin of this word? I really like the origin of this word. Serendipity comes from serendip. It actually comes from a Persian fairy tale called The 3 Princes of Serendip. And in this fairy tale, unexpected good things were always happening to the main characters. They were always finding something while they were looking for something else. Anyway, Serendip is the old name for Sri Lanka or Ceylon. Okay, in the past. So Sri Lanka's a lovely place, a beautiful warm climate, and things grow very well there. So that's where the idea of serendipity came from. So serendipity, something good that happens, or something that you find totally by chance, by accident. Now your next question is going to be about formality. Well, serendipity to me sounds like a very literary word. I think it's really good for your writings. If you were writing a story or a formal essay for one of your exams, it would be really good. I guess you could use serendipity in an informal conversation, but it sounds rather posh and maybe a bit formal, so I would suggest just using by good luck, as good luck would have it, by chance, something like that. Okay, so serendipity is a noun, an uncountable noun. Normally we say by serendipity. Okay, we wouldn't say a serendipity because it's uncountable. So serendipity, something good that happens by chance. Sounds rather literary, but quite a sophisticated word to use. And the other day I found another interesting word, which is the opposite of serendipity. Zemblanity. Zemblanity. This is where you're doing something and something bad and unexpected happens. You've got it all planned out and you know it's going to work, and then something that you weren't expecting crops up, appears, and you have a problem. Okay? So, zemblanity, the opposite. And this one's really formal. So there you go, serendipity, by good luck, by chance. You're looking for something and you find something else that you really wanted. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Serendipity.